Hi everyone, welcome to the demonstration of Campus Exchange application. This is a platform designed to help students buy, sell, and lend items safely within their campus community. When you first arrive at the site, you will see a clean sign-in page. So security and trust are our top priorities, so we don't use traditional email and password sign-ups. Instead, every user must sign in using their Google account. This ensures that users are real students and helps build a trusted community. Let's go ahead and sign in. After signing in, you are landing on a personal dashboard. Here you can see a personalized welcome. This page provides a quick overview of all items recently listed on the platform by other users, such as this high-quality USB monitor and a wooden desk chair and a used laptop. It is a simple card-based view that lets you see what's available. If we click on the browse, you can browse the items. So here you can see there are several filtering options to help you search by category or title or their name orders. So if you want to search for any other keywords like laptops or textbook, we can also do that. So let's see if we click on the item of laptop, what will happen. So here we can see a larger, more detailed image and the price is 450 bucks and a clearer description. More importantly, we can see key details like its condition, location, who posted it, and its category. If we're interested in, we can just request it. And here, if we want to see more about the seller's information, we can click on his or her name. By clicking Alice's name, we can view her public profile. This is a key trust feature. We can see Alice is verified, and we can also see her selling rating, 8 out of 10, and all the other items she has listed. She looks like a reliable seller. Now let's switch to being a seller. If I click on my listing, I'm taken to my listing management page. So if we want to add a new listing, it's very straightforward. We fill in the title, description, and then choose the listing type, for sale or for lend. We can then set the condition, price, category, location, and upload an image. Let's imagine I fill this out for the iPhone 13. So after I created this listing, this is what it looks like to me as the owner. This is iPhone 13. Notice the owner's menu at the bottom because I own this item. I have the ability to edit this listing or delete it at any time. Let's then go back to be a buyer. Remember the laptop we wanted from Alice? Let's say we click request. Now, when I click on my request tab, I can see a full list of all the items I have requested. Here is the used laptop from Alice and the status is pending. I can click view to see more details about it. And also, I can start a conversation with her to see if she's still having it for sale or already sold out. And now, as a final part of the demo, let's see what if I'm the seller and what will happen on that iPhone 13. If I click on the incoming request, I can see a different request for my listed items. And here is an example for the iPhone 13. There's a buyer also named Jingdong for my iPhone 13. It shows me the pending status and it gives me two very simple actions, approve or rejected. Let's click on the view to see more detailed information. This takes us to a dedicated request page. Here we can see the full conversation history. The buyer said, "Hi, may I take a look at it?" So you can talk more with him to see whether you want to sell it to him or not. So here's an example. I just rejected and I type in no by the message system and then simply reject the request. And now you can see the transaction is closed and the message system also closed. The status changed to a red reject. The approval and rejection buttons are now gone and the conversation is finalized. The buyer will see the change on their My Request page. We designed this application with accessibility and robustness in mind. The interface is clean and has passed accessibility checks with tools like WAVE, ensuring there are no critical accessibility issues for users. Furthermore, the entire core functionality of the site, browsing, viewing items, and making requests, is functional even with JavaScript disabled. This makes the platform more accessible to all users, regardless of their browser settings or assistive technologies.